Well, I'm just going over the faceplate now. With my cleaning plastic polish. Novus number 3 first, which is a heavy scratch remover, just to get rid of a couple deeper ones that I can see. Overall it's in pretty good shape though. Don't think it's had a lot of use, this radio. I think what's happened is someone's reversed polarity there. Someone's been inside and had a go to try and fix it and not succeeded. So it's just been left, just dumped probably in a garage or something. Nice to be able to bring these things back to life. Well, hopefully I can. I'm speaking a bit too soon because the new IC's not arrived yet, so you never know. Anyway, I think it's looking like the worst. Right, that's the worst of the scratching gone. So I'm just going to go over it now with some fine scratch remover. These things clog up. There we go. So really just work this in a circular motion. Just keep applying a bit of pressure on it. There's a Doug. I'll just get rid of all the little fine scratches and should hopefully bring it up like a nice mirror finish. Right, just finishing off with the number 1 Novus plastic clean and shine. Just a quick spritz of that. Oh well. Well, certainly it's a lot shinier than before, but as I say, it wasn't too bad, that one, but I like to clean them up anyway, so thanks for joining me. On with the case. Okay, while I'm waiting for some parts here, I'm just going to do a final touch up on this case for the RFM3. You'll see there's a couple issues here. Let's see if I can zoom you in on the centre of this. Not really issues, but just little touch-ups. So there's a little scratch, as I'm sure you can see just here, through the black paint. Now this is a matte finish paint, so nice and easy to touch up. There's a couple little spots sort of around and about that need touching up as well. But the other thing is this the Roberts badge. Again, it's had a bit of rubbing around the edge, so I want to make that a nice sharp edge on that one. So I'm going to mask it up and paint that with some chrome paint, which is this stuff here. Let's zoom back out a bit. I'm going a little bit close now. So yeah, this is the stuff I'm going to use. It needs a really good shaking up, this one, but it does give quite a nice finish just for touch up smaller areas, and some just normal flat black. I'm going to use some low tack cut masking tape, especially on this grill, because if I leave it on too long and peel it off, it's going to peel the whole lot off, which will be an absolute nightmare. So yeah, I don't want to be messing with that. So I'm just going to mask up these areas, touch them in with a brush, and mask around this. So I'll let you see how I get on. Okay, well, as you can see, I've touched in the Roberts badge with that chrome paint. I masked it off with these little bits of masking tape, so I'm just going to pop those off. Just gives a nice clean edge. If you just try doing it freehand, you'll make a bit of a mess of it. So there we are. Surely you'll agree that That was nice and fresh now. Yeah, happy with that. Just got to touch up these black spots now. Well, there we are. That's the case all finished. Looking nice. As I say, I've put the Danish oil on the sides, look, so let's brought them up. Oh. Again, I do prefer a nice sheen on the sides. The sides there. So yeah, coming along nicely. Just waiting for an IC socket now. If it doesn't arrive, then we're going to pop it in anyway and give it a try.